Hello friends, today I will show you how to remove noise and make it clean audio in Adobe Audition. Hello friends, my name is Vishal Thakur and today I will show you how to remove noise in easiest way in Adobe Audition. So let's start it. I am using Adobe Audition 2015. I am already record my voice using my wireless mic, so I just drag and drop file here. And trim my audio. So let's check preview about original audio. Audio test 1, 2, 3. So you listen here, lots of noises around my voice. So I will show you how to remove them, and easiest click, just go to effect, noise reduction and select adaptive noise reduction and go to by default option and click here high quality mode and just apply it. Now you can see in waveform your unwanted noise is almost reduced. We can check the preview. Audio test 1, 2, 3. We can see here some unwanted waveform is here. So let's again remove and make it clean audio. Select it again. Go to effect and click on capture noise print. Now select all audio waveform. Again go to effect, click on noise reduction. Now go to noise reduction process. Now click on default option. Now just click on apply and you can hear your unwanted waveform is almost gone. We can check it again. Audio test 1, 2, 3. My audio is almost clean. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this, then please click on like button. If you have any query, please comment below. And if you are not subscribed my channel, then please first of all subscribe it. Thank you friends for watching this.